if you're experiencing pending transfers on your Google account. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Google account and navigate to the Payments section. Look for the pending transfers to see their current status and any error messages that may indicate what the issue is. Step 2. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Review transfer details. Double-check the details of the pending transfer, including the recipient's information and the amount. Make sure everything is correct, as errors can cause delays or cancellations. Step 4. Contact support. If the transfer remains pending after verifying the details, reach out to Google Support for assistance. Provide them with all relevant information about the transfer to expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After making any necessary changes or contacting support, be patient and wait for confirmation. Transfers can take some time to process, so check back periodically to see if the status has changed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on your Google account. If issues persist, continue to seek help from Google Support for further assistance.